What's going on, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how to trade 100x meme coins on Binance Smart Chain. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. YouTube tells me that only 23% of you who watch this channel are subscribed. So smash the subscribe button, guys, and please like the video. Also, check out my trading group in the description below. There is currently a sale live if you would like to become a better trader. And obviously, if you'd like to support the channel further, you can become a YouTube member and get early access to these videos before the public. Here's the video. Alrighties, guys, here it is, the ultimate Binance Smart Chain meme coin tutorial. The reason I'm giving this to you is because Binance Smart Chain has seen over $1.4 billion of volume over the past day, and obviously there's a lot of meme coins here running up. We've got a couple here that are well over 100 million, so there's definitely opportunities on Binance Smart Chain. So today I'll give you a full tutorial on the wallets to use, or the wallets that I use, the processes that I go through, the tools that you can use, so the bots that I'm using, and obviously some of the tokens that we're looking at. So to begin with, obviously, guys, the best wallet for me remains MetaMask. It's just super easy because I've already got Polygon on there, I've already got Blast on there, I've already got Base on there, and I've obviously already got Ethereum on there. So I will put this in the description below, but this is just how you would add it over on the side, guys. So I'll just pull it down for you. And we'll talk about this notice just in a second, but this is what it looks like. So you just would send Binance BNB, so the actual token, from your central exchange, and I'll talk about that very shortly, to your MetaMask wallet, and it just works the same as Ethereum, guys, and the gas is obviously in BNB, a lot cheaper than Ethereum as well, so do be aware of that. But this is how you could add it manually to your MetaMask wallet. You just come to the top, you click up the top, guys, and here you would just add a new network. As you can see, those are all the networks that I currently have on my MetaMask wallet. And obviously, if you'd like to create a new one just to keep it all separate on chain, that is always a good and safe practice. But those are the details if you do want to pause it. And again, I'll put that in the description below. Now, obviously, that's what it looks like once you're in there, guys. It works the same. So send by swap. You could obviously send USD on Binance Smart Chain, or you can send Ethereum on Binance Smart Chain, etc., etc. So it's up to you. My biggest thing that I like to do, guys, is I like to send Binance Smart Chain, so BNB token, directly to that from my central exchange, okay? I don't like to use bridges because, one, you just run the risk that the bridge might be faulty, or two, you might run the risk that the tokens that you're sending from your centralized exchange or your bridging on-chain across onto your MetaMask wallet just doesn't go through. So that way I just buy BNB here on SwiftX. Obviously, if you're in Australia, you can sign up using the promo link in the description below and get a free $20 of Bitcoin. But I use BNB on this platform. I would then send it over to my MetaMask wallet here, click in the receive button, okay, and then bang, I can start trading Binance Smart Chain meme coins, which I'll show you very shortly. So just to again reiterate the security and the safety around this, gas is obviously in BNB, okay, bridge don't send. So again, you may lose your assets if you do try to send them from another network. This is what I mean. So I always buy BNB on my centralized exchange and send BNB to my BNB wallet. That is the safest way to do it, as MetaMask is saying here. And obviously, your tokens may not add automatically and show up in your wallets, so you might need to add them manually. And again, you just do that down the bottom. Okay, so once you're in here, guys, you come down and you can import tokens there by pasting the contract address. Now, there are a couple of other wallets that you can use. Binance have their own wallet. Trust Wallet is another one that has millions of people that use it. But again, I like to use MetaMask because it's proven and I've used it for a very long time. bscscan.com is the blockchain page or the web source that you can use to track on-chain liquidity holders and your wallets, obviously, so do check that out. And just a reminder, guys, that I do use Dex Screener to track all of these meme coins, as you can see over here, and we will dive into a couple of them very shortly as well. Now, the beauty of this actually and trading some of these meme coins is that you can find them on Dex Screener, but ultimately they do work on some of the bots that we already do use. So BullX does have Binance Smart Chain on there, guys. So just a reminder, if you do want to skip the line to get onto BullX to trade Binance Smart Chain, or to trade Solana, or to trade base meme coins, you can sign up using the link in the description below. It will get you 10% off discounted fees, and obviously they do have an airdrop coming up as well. So trading volume will accumulate Bull X, okay, the token that they are looking to drop in the near future. If you do come over to the side, you just obviously would select which chain you're looking at. And today, obviously, we're looking at Binance Smart Chain. So this is a good way to obviously find some of the newer tokens. And again, they do have an audit report over on the side, but more about that shortly about how I can actually use it. The next wallet or the next bot that I like to use for Binance Smart Chain, guys, is obviously Shuriken. And just a reminder, that is also in the description below to sign up. And as you can see here, you would just add your Binance Smart Chain wallet. And just to show you that it does work, I just pasted CAT, which is one of your top meme coins right now on Binance Smart Chain. I pasted that in there, guys, and this is what it presents. It gives you the link to the blockchain. It gives you the link to the DEX screener, so it makes it super easy. PancakeSwap, which we will talk about very shortly, is the DEX that you should be using for Binance Smart Chain. But ultimately, if you would like to use bots, I use either BullX or Shuriken to trade these Binance Smart Chain tokens. So essentially, I would obviously have to transfer over some. I'd have to create a new Binance Smart Chain wallet on obviously Shuriken, and then transfer over some Binance Smart Chain money, and then I can obviously start trading some of these meme coins that are there. Lastly, guys, obviously, this is PancakeSwap, just like I showed you before. You would connect your MetaMask wallet. This is super safe, and as you can see, you can use a range of these different wallets to essentially trade on Binance Smart Chain. And I use PancakeSwap, and I used it last cycle, guys, to trade a lot of gaming tokens and made a lot of money last cycle on Binance Smart Chain. So it is great to see it starting to see a bit of volume like we saw last cycle in 2021. So do use PancakeSwap as the main DEX to trade if you are more of a manual trader rather than using the bots. Now, lastly, guys, security and safety of tokens is a massive thing for me. I don't ever want to be buying a meme coin that is risky or that I haven't checked. So DEX Screener, because it is elite, does have some security checks down on the side. So it does have a Go Plus security. You can run through this. You ideally want to see green ticks for all of the tokens. It does run another one, so Quick and Tell. So it's just a different type of bot that DEX Screener has embedded to its platform to check the token again twice. And lastly, guys, you can click on Token Sniffer, which will open you up on this link. And this is what it looks like. So it gives you the contract address, tells you the token just to make sure it's the right one. Obviously, if you'd like to do a little bit more due diligence, you can check it on chain as well. DEX tools there. If you're more of a DEX tools chart person, I'm a DEX screener person. And ultimately, if you do scroll down and have a look, okay, it does tell you all the same sorts of things that's on DEX screener. But again, it's always good to check multiple forms of security and safety before buying any of these tokens. The best part about obviously Token Sniffer, guys, is this one here. If you do come to the bubble map, it will show you, okay, the contracts and the wallets, sorry, that are holding this contract. So in other words, the people that are holding Simon's Cat, okay, so hopefully this works. I might just refresh the page. But obviously, it's a bubble map. It's very similar to what we've seen on Solana or on base tokens. And it's going to show you the wallets and how much supply they have and whether those wallets are actually connected to each other. So there it is, guys. So anything that's orange or red will be obviously a large holder. So as you can see, these are all large holders. And if they are connected to specific, like this, little clusters, then always be aware of that, guys, because you do want to make sure that whales aren't manipulating this, or obviously that people have sniped a lot of the supply and have just spread it over multiple tokens. So I hope that gives you a really good overall insight into how you can trade Binance Smart Chain meme coins really effectively. Please let me know if you have any comments down below, any feedback or any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And obviously, I'll be dropping some more Binance Smart Chain meme coin tutorials very soon. So keep an eye out by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. So there you have it, guys. There's my tutorial on how to trade 100x meme coins on Binance Smart Chain. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well, guys, because it generally does help the channel grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my trading group in the description below, where there currently is a sale live until the end of August. And obviously, if you'd like to support the channel further, become a YouTube member and get early access to these videos. As always, guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one.